Hello, Captain Pepe Gonzalez in Key West, Florida, part of Penn Pro staff. I've been playing around with the Battle 3s for the past few weeks, and I am so impressed by this reel. I highly recommend it. When I first got the Battle 3s and we started testing them, I was right off the bat impressed by the full metal body that it has. I mean, you know, you just want something that lasts, something that is meaty like this. The Florida Keys, we have so many species. You know, one day we're offshore targeting sailfish, snappers, groupers, then we come inshore, we got tarpon, permit, and everything in between. We carry about 14 rods, and these rods have to be able to do different jobs, not just one thing. And these reels capture that perfectly. What I like the most about the Battle 3s is that they've taken advice from professional fishermen and build a product that is for the full spectrum of fishermen, whether you're a beginner or a pro. For this price point, you cannot get a better reel in the market. One of the biggest changes in this reel is the CNC machining of the gears. So what that does is it cuts the gears out of one solid piece of metal, and that makes it so much smoother and better and stronger. One of the most important parts for me, and for probably all fishermen, is a smooth drag. And the HD100 drag is just simply incredible. The Penn Battle comes in 10 different sizes, but they also have 3 sizes, the 4000, the 6000, and the 8000 that come in high speed. I really like the high speed reel, especially when I'm deep dropping on the wrecks, and you know, you don't want to take forever reeling it back up. The name Penn is known worldwide as being the best in fishing. This is the 3rd generation of the Battles, and you can see how in every different step, every different generation, the amount of work and thought that gets put into it, it really comes from fishermen and people that really want you to have the best product available on the market. The Battle 3 has the guts and the drag to handle serious abuse. So if you want something that lasts, something that is dependable, something that every weekend when you get off work and you want to go get a tarpon or get some dinner, this is a reel that's going to perform for you. This is not something that 2 weeks later is going to fail apart on you.